Hello guys, this is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. In this video I am going to show you about the feature of auto hold. I am specifically right now in a 2025 Tucson Ultimate plug-in hybrid. If you see here, you see the button auto hold. I am going to activate this, and if you see the auto hold icon there, right? So what does auto hold mean? When you drive your car, right, in the traffic, and when you are in a signal or decide to stop, you always lift your feet from the gas and then put on the brake, right? And you still there until you continue until you continue your way. And when you continue your way, you do like this, and then you press the gas and you continue forward. So sometimes for some people, or specifically when you are in a full traffic, you always need to put in each signal you need to put your feet in the brake and still there and go ahead and then. So, however, there is a way that you can make one press and then leave it, and the car will still stay stop. And that's the auto hold feature. So right now I am going to, as you notice it, I activated the auto hold, but right now I am going to drive, and then I am going forward, and then I am going to stop, and take a look what's happened. You see that the auto hold symbol is in green right now. Why? Because I made one hard touch and the car is still stopped. And if you see the drive, the car is still stopped. So that's the feature of auto hold. When you activate, just one press of the brake gas, and the car will stop until you continue forward. So take a look what's happened right now. I am going to press the gas, and automatically the auto hold disabled, and I continue my travel. All right, that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.